Ask Troy. I haven't had a fucking phone call in a month from my agent. He's probably fucking dead.
You're a fucking actor, Max.
Fuck you. You want to see my fucking show reel? I'll put it on.
No, it's okay, Max. I don't want to see your show reel.
Listen. I've got a solution here, okay? I'm gonna get you guys an espresso and we will calm down and fucking talk this out. Do you want an espresso,
I would love
Stephanie?
one.
Steph?
Bella, yes.
Oh, you guys are fucking... Just
Thank you.
relax.
An espresso machine?
No, just an espresso. Yeah, this is a graduation present from my mother. I'm not gonna give you... This is my baby, okay?
Looks like your baby's taking a trip, Max. Give me the cup.
Leo, come on. Leo, for fuck's sake, man. You're a fucking cunt.
I'm a cunt with a new cappuccino machine.
It's an espresso machine, you fucking moron.
What the fuck are we doing? This is insane.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm collecting on a debt. That baby's worth at least $1,000.
You stole it, Leo. We're accomplices to this fucking bullshit.
I know. Did you see the look on his face?
You're fucking heartless. It was the only thing he had in his entire